Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make pizza and grow a garden. First, let's focus on the foundation. The dough. You'll need simple ingredients like flour, water, and yeast. Combine them and knead for about 10 minutes until it's wonderfully smooth. Then, let it rest in a warm place for at least 1 hour. This crucial step allows the dough to double in size, creating that perfect airy crust we all love. It's the first step to a delicious homemade pizza. Next, let's prepare the heart of your pizza, the sauce and toppings. A simple, fresh tomato sauce made with ripe tomatoes and a few herbs will elevate your pizza's flavor. For toppings, the possibilities are endless. Think about creamy mozzarella, vibrant bell peppers, savory mushrooms, or even some pre-cooked chicken. Remember to slice your vegetables thinly and pre-cook any meats to ensure everything bakes perfectly and evenly. Now for the exciting part, assembly and baking. Gently roll out your perfectly risen dough into a nice circular shape, aiming for about 1/4 inch thick. Spread your delicious tomato sauce evenly, making sure to leave a 1-inch border for that lovely crust. Then, pile on your favorite toppings and a generous amount of cheese. Finally, bake your masterpiece in a preheated oven at 475 degrees Fahrenheit. To achieve that perfect pizza, bake it for about 10 to 15 minutes. You'll know it's ready when the crust is beautifully golden brown and the cheese is bubbly and slightly browned. This indicates optimal doneness and flavor. Once out of the oven, resist the urge to cut it immediately. Let your pizza cool for a few minutes. This allows the cheese to set, making for easier slicing and a much more enjoyable first bite.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.